As in the C-sharp D clip, I'm going to use 2 fingers only to climb up the scale in this first part. Like this. Start with the outer row E. Start again. That's it, there's one extra climb there. Whereas on the first time up we stop on that note with the first finger. When we play the second phrase, we want to get our first finger on that note of E. That's the first part. The second part, either start on the F sharp leading note or straight on the top A here. There we are, a rather hesitant walk through the Ballydesmond polka. I'm not used to playing it in that fingering, but yeah, that should give you some ways of avoiding that delicate little finger there, and learning to move about the keyboard with 2 fingers, which in my view is an essential skill and should be developed very early on.